Hey guys, it's Edith Ebenezer again from Samani Enterprise Tutors, and I hope you watched our last tutorial on Kotlin, which is our arithmetic operators. Yeah, just of the plus and the minus and the multiplication, the divide, and the modulus division. And then today we're going to be looking at something actually different. We're going to be looking at the assignment operators now. Okay, so we're going to be looking at a few of them. There are addition assignment operator, subtraction assignment operator, integer division assignment operator, modulus division assignment operator, even the multiplication assignment operator. Okay, so I've created a new Kotlin file. If you don't know how to do that, please refer to my last video, and I've named it assignmentoperators.kt, which is KT for Kotlin now. That's the extension file, and very soon I'm going to be having the files in a GitHub repository. So whenever it's ready, I'm going to put the link below the video, and I'm going to do well to tell you when the repository is up now. Okay, so let's go straight to business. I hope you remembered how we did declare variables in Kotlin. So that would be var, the name of the Kotlin. I will say a variable. Okay, variable. Okay, give it the data type of int and then give it the value. So this is the way we declare variables in Kotlin, in contrast to how we did it in Java, something like this, equals to 6. So this is the way it is in Java, and this is the way it is in Kotlin. Okay, so firstly let's look at the addition assignment operator. So let's create another variable called b variable. Okay, give it int and then give it a value of, let's say, 8. All right, now the assignment operator is like this. Okay, so instead of saying a variable, okay, is equals to the value in a variable, all right, plus b variable now. Okay, so instead of saying this, there is a better way, but then firstly let's print it out. We're going to do this print line, and okay, let's say, okay, so after doing this print line should come below. Okay, so print line, I will just add that a variable. Okay, then this should print the value. So this is just saying a variable is equals to 6 plus 8. Okay, so I would run as Kotlin file, run as Kotlin application, I mean. Okay, 92%. All right. Okay, so that's 14. Okay, so instead of doing this, then you can use the assignment operator that works this way. So this would be, the new statement would be a variable plus, okay, plus or equals to b variable. So what this means, if you expand this, this would be the same thing as the last statement we just cleaned, is equals to a variable plus b variable. Okay, variable. So isn't this awesome to just write this and then it means this whole thing? Okay, so we'll run that, run as Kotlin application. That should give us 14 also. Okay, so there is the addition assignment, okay, operator. Okay, so we'll put this in bracket. Now the next one we're going to be looking at is the subtraction, okay, assignment operator. Now, like you guessed, that would be minus equals to. Okay, so instead of saying a variable, okay, is equals to a variable minus b variable, all you say is a variable minus equals to b variable. Okay, so these two statements are the same, so I would comment this out. Okay, and because we don't need this for now, I'll comment it out since we're only working with this. So this should be 6 minus 8 which will be equals to -2, so we should get -2 as the answer. Okay, there you go, -2. So if I remove this just to prove to you that they are the same. Okay, so we'll run as Kotlin application -2. So these statements are the same. Okay, now let's move to okay, let's go to the division assignment ent operator. Okay, so this works like this. Now this is the integer, to be specific now, integer division assignment operator. So if you don't know what this is, I explained this in my last video. Say we say 6 or 8 integer division 6. Now how many times will 6 go into 8 in a whole number? That will give us what? That will give us 1. But when you say 8 modulo 6, now this says that the remainder division, now just to do it like that, but then the official name is the modulo division now. So the modulo division 8 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 2, so this will give us. Okay, so you would need this for the next assignment operator we're going to be looking at. But now let's look at the integer division assignment operator. So we don't need this, so also. So what you would have done would be variable is equals to a variable. So I would like to show this first. Integer division b variable. Okay, so let's print that out. Okay, that's 0, but then and say this is 8 and say this is 6. Okay, so we'll run as Kotlin application. So that gives us 1, like I explained here. Okay, so in order for us to go to the next one, I call the modulus, alright, division assignment, okay, operator. So this is the symbol, percentage sign, no, yes, percentage equals to. Okay, so I would comment this out. The regular way would have been would be this: a variable modulo b variable now. Okay, so this is how it would have been normally, but then made it available to do this. Division equals to b variable. Okay, so I would comment this and then I'll run as Kotlin application. So this should give us 2. Alright, so that gives us 2. Okay, so the next one we're going to be looking at is the multiplication assignment. So multiplication assignment operator now, and this is, like you guess, asterisk equals to. Okay, so in order to use that, that would be like this. Okay, so what this is saying when you expand it would be a variable, okay, is equals to a variable multiplied by b variable. Okay, so that's the expansion. And then if we run this, that gives us 48, because 6 times 8 is 48. Alright guys, so here this is where we're going to stop. The next video we're going to move into more operators. This is just to acquaint you with the Kotlin language and how it differs from Java programming language. And in no short time I'm going to get all this code available in a GitHub repository, and I'm going to paste the link on each video I make. So please do come back and watch more, and please, as I say every time, continue with your hands-on. That will do you greater good than what I can teach you. Okay, so thank you for coming and thank you for watching, and God bless.